Hello everyone, this is our assessment 2 of DAT 602 Database Design and Development. This is submitted by Group 15. Member includes Monica, Anu Gill and Jashandeep Kaur. My name is Anu Gill. The group project for database design involved designing a database system for a university. In our case, we selected organization, means we selected university. In this project, we work together to identify its data requirements, design and data model, and implement the database using a database management system such as SQL. Here we have university management system. Uh, University management system is a centralized database driven system designed to automate university operations. Um, it replaces manual processing for managing student, faculty, courses, exams, attendance, and fees. We need university management system because it handles large and complex data that becomes slow and error prone without automation. A structured UMS improves like accuracy, speed, data consistency, and decision making. What this project does, design a relation database for university workflows. It capture key information like students, lecturers, courses, attendance, marks, fee, records, etc. Now we are trying to understand its data requirements. The purpose of data requirement is to identify all data the university management system must store. Its concept is like each identity is equal to one real world object. We have the entities like student, teacher, course, department, enrollment, and attendance, marks, fees, and the key attributes corresponding to those identities are displays on the screen. Like student has key attributes like roll number, name, email address, phone number, their date of birth, department, courses, addresses, etc. So ensure accurate database structure and avoiding missing field later. We are organizing all these things together. Now going toward the next slide, ER diagram. ER diagram means identity entity relationship model. Its purpose is to provide a conceptual blueprint of how data is structured inside the University Management System UMS. Um, it ERD is important to visualize all major entities and their relationship to ensure the database is logically normalized and scalable, and to eliminate redundancy before physical database creation, and to guide stable creation foreign keys and constraints. ER capture department structure, student and lecture relationship. It capture course allocation, enrollment, and academics process, etc. Main entities in our ER diagrams are department, student, lecture, course, enrollment. In department, it define academic units. In student, we define personal and academic details. In lecturers, we define faculty relations, details, and teaching assignments. In courses, we define courses name, credits, department, and lecture. And in enrollment, it's bridging between student and courses. Key relationship with the cardinality, we define relationship between department to student, department to lecturer, department to courses, lecturer to courses, student to courses. Enrollment table involve the many to many relationship.
Hello everyone, my name is Jashandeep Kaur. I am talking about system design overview. The University Management System UMS is built on a structured relation database converted from the ER diagram. Each major entity, department, student, lecturer, course enrollment is mapped into a normalized table with primary and foreign key to maintain integrity. There are some key highlights and key components. So in the key highlights, ERD logical model, physical tables, foreign key constraints, normalization and integration with UI. In key components, there's login page, course form, admin dashboards. So move to the next slide. There is some system design overview. With first of all, we go to the university login ID and send our email and password, and there is some important features that we have to fill out, and there is some login page, course form, admission dashboard, and educational systems. So first of all, we go to the admin panel, and there is a total students, total lecturers, and total components codes. In the third slide, there is some DBMS selection. Why MySQL? Reliable and mature, high performance, compatible, one source and free SQL file created. So into schemes implementation action performed, create table department, student lecture courses, enrollment, execute, create table statements, DESC department, students, course, enrollment, scheme, validations, correct PK FK relationship, proper data type, unit and required not full constraints applied. Thank you.
Hi there. Next slide is the database testing. This slide explains the database testing process and the result of functional validation. And first is we insert sample records into the database. Then we verify student details and enrollments individually followed by join queries to ensure the data is correctly linked across tables. Once these checks are completed, the verification process is finalized. At the bottom, the table shows sample test cases, login, adding a student and enrolling a student all pass successfully as the actual outputs match the expected results. However, the final case is failed because the system accepted a duplicate email indicating that a database constraint is required. This highlights an area for improvement in data integrity. And and the next slide is the conclusion. To conclude, this project demonstrates how a well-structured relational database can effectively support a university management system. The full development life cycle was completed and from the requirements and the ERD design through to implementation and testing, the MySQL database ensure accuracy, consistency, and minimal redundancy through the nomination and foreign keys. Practical testing confirms correct handling of key functions such as enrollment, attendance, courses, marks, and fees, etc. Overall, the system shows strong integration between the front-end and the database and provides a scalable, secure, and use-friendly solution suitable for the real university operations. Here, these are the references below which we are making this assignment. So that's it. This appendix presents the ERD and database schema for the university management system. It shows the main entities and their relationships with primary and foreign keys, ensuring proper structure, normalization, and data integrity. The last slide is the appendix. This slide shows the appendix of our database design. It includes five main tables, that is department, lecturer, student, course, and enrollment. The departmental table stores basic department information and is linked to the students, lecturers, and courses. And the second one is the lecturer table, contains lecture details and connects each lecturer to a department. The student table stores student information and also links students to their department. The course table includes course details and link each course to a lecturer and a department. Finally, the enrollment table acts as a bridge between students and courses, recording which student is enrolled in which courses, along with semester and grade. Overall, this structure ensures clear relationships avoids data duplication, and supports efficient data management. So, thank you.